Everyone that knows me knows I'm a huge fan of free walking tours all over Europe. And in Granada, Spain, I found one of the best companies that produce these kind of tours. Walking Granada has not one, but 3 free walking tours that focus on different parts of the city. The Essential Granada tour covers the central area of the city, including the cathedral. The Albaicin tour covers the history of Granada and the turning point for the European society at the end of the 15th century. The Sacromonte tour is unique because it combines quite a bit of hiking with stories, legends, cave houses, and the best views of the city. But the tour that they offer that is unlike any that I have ever seen or smelled before is their Olfactory tour.
We designed 8 different scents reproducing the olfactory landscape of different places and historical time in Granada. We walk around the town, and with a guide you will smell the different scent that specific place had in another time. This is the smell of the bread of Granada. This is the smell of a guitar maker workshop of Granada. I think is a great way and a very original and new way to discover a town like this one.
The company also has private tours focusing on the Alhambra, of course, the birthplace of flamenco dancing, hammams, and Andalusian gastronomy. The Olfactory tour is not part of the company's free tours, but if you are looking for a special and unique travel experience, this would be it.